Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to disable the news and interest widget in the Windows 11 taskbar. This is a quick and straightforward process, so without wasting any more time, let's jump right in. First, just simply click on the Start menu, then find and click Settings. Now just simply go in the Settings panel, and in the Settings panel, just let me look for personalization right over here. And in personalization, just simply scroll down a little bit. As you can see right over here, you will have the option of taskbar. Click on that. Now in the taskbar window, look for an option called Widgets. And beside that, you will find the On option. Let me click on that, and this will disable that. And once it is disabled, the widget function will be turned off on your computer. Now you can just close the window, and then you should be good to go. So that's it. You have successfully disabled the news and interest widget on your Windows 11 taskbar. I hope you found this video helpful. If so, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.